In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get paid instant payouts on Stripe in 5 minutes. First, open your browser and go to strpe.com. On the top right, click Sign In, enter your login details, complete any two-step verification if prompted, and click Sign In again to reach your Stripe dashboard. If you're testing things out, you may see Test Mode. For real payouts, make sure you're in Live Mode so funds actually reach your bank. From the dashboard, head to Home to get your bearings, then open the Balance section from the left-hand menu. Balance is where you'll see your available funds, upcoming payouts, and recent transactions. To receive money, Stripe needs a bank account on file. If you see an option to add bank account here, click it to start. If that option isn't visible, don't worry. There's a second path through settings. Go to settings from the left menu. Under your business details, open business, then choose linked external accounts. Select manage payout accounts and click add a bank account. Stripe will prompt you for your bank's country, currency, and the account details. Take a moment to enter everything accurately: account name, routing number, and account number, then save. If your region supports bank verification or instant account linking, follow those prompts. Once saved, Stripe will use this account for payouts. Next, configure when you want to be paid. In Settings, open Payouts. Here you can set your payout schedule to daily, weekly, monthly, or manual. Daily, weekly, and monthly automate transfers on a cadence you choose. Manual gives you full control to move funds when you decide. For instant payouts, keep in mind that eligibility depends on your business location, account history, and risk profile, and fees may apply. Instant payouts typically appear as an option when you have an eligible balance, letting you transfer funds right away instead of waiting for your regular schedule. If instant payouts are available to you, you'll see the option in your payouts or balance view when you have funds ready. A few quick tips to avoid hiccups: make sure your Stripe account is fully verified with your business details, confirm you're operating in live mode before expecting real transfers, and double check your bank information to prevent failed payouts. If you manage multiple accounts, confirm you're in the correct one by checking the account switcher at the top left of the dashboard. That's it. You've signed in, added your bank account, and set your payout schedule so you can use instant payouts when eligible. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting paid faster with Stripe.